Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to RPF. Compute gross salary. So in question, you should be very careful in analyzing what they have asked us to calculate. So in my previous problem, they had actually asked us to calculate taxable RPF. But here they have asked us to calculate gross salary. So little bit changes will be there in the calculation. I'll teach you how to do that. Of Mr. A who is resident for the assessment year 23-24. Assessment year should be 23-24. 23-24. For the assessment year 23-24, we are calculating. Basic salary is 4,000 per annum. Basic salary ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4,000 per annum. DA 750, out of which 300 per month enters into retirement benefit. Employment purpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is understood that it is retirement benefit ಅಂತ. So total 750 is getting as DA. Out of that 300 per month is entering into retirement benefit. 750 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 450 ಡಸಂಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. Next, advance salary he has received for 2 months, that is 10,000 rupees. And employer's contribution to RPF is 800 per month. So this is how they have given. So first always you have to take basic salary. Basic salary they have given in the question, it is 4,000 per month, but we want for annually, so you have to multiply it by 12 months. So 4,000 into 12 will be 48,000. So I'll write it in the outer column 48,000. Next, add DA for that. DA, DNS allowance. So two types of DNS allowance we have. So here you see here. DNS allowance. The first one here is entering into retirement benefit, and entering into retirement benefit, ಯಾರು retirement benefit ಗೆ entering ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Second one is which is not entering into retirement benefit. So two types DNS allowance is there. The total DNS allowance is 750. ಆ 750 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 300 rupees retirement benefit ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So out of 750, 300 is entering to retirement benefit. The remaining means 750 minus 300, which is equal to 450. It doesn't enter into retirement benefits. This is what you have to analyze in the case of DA. So ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು entering into retirement benefits, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು which doesn't enter into retirement benefits. Entering into retirement benefits question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 300 per month. So ನಮಗೆ 12 months ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So into 12 months. So 300 into 12 months will be 3,600. And doesn't enter into retirement benefit. So total it is 750. 750 is total DA. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 300 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ remaining 450. It doesn't enter into retirement benefits. So that is per month 450 per month into 12 months ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5,400 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 9,000 rupees ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ total. The total will be written in the outer column. Next, they have given in the question advance salary. Advance salary for 2 months he is receiving 10,000. So write directly in the outer column. So next, employer's contribution to RPF. So employer ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ 800 per month. So 800 per month into 12 months. Into 12 months. So 800 per month into 12 months ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So it will be 9,600. But according to law he will get an exemption. 100% ವರೆಗೂ exemption ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 12% of the salary will 12% of the employer contribution will be exempted. So employer contribution ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12% ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು exemption ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. So for that we have to calculate salary. So salary will be basic salary plus DA plus DP plus commission. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ DP ಮತ್ತೆ commission ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I made the formula short. Basic salary plus DA which is entering to retirement benefits. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಫ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 48,000. ಸೊ 48,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ enters into retirement benefits ಎಷ್ಟು? 3,600 plus 3,600, it will be 51,600. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 12%, 51,600 into 12% will be 6,192. This will be given as exemption. ಇದನ್ನ exemption ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So out of 9,600 total employer contribution, 6,192 will be exempted. The remaining 3,408 will be taxable. Now add the outer column everything. You will get 70,408. That 70,408 is the gross salary. So here you should change computation of gross salary. Computation of gross salary. So this is how we need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next video, I'll come back with one more problem related to RPF. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.